Please stand by. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information in assigned areas. This is TV 214. We will continue to serve the north and southern regions of Texas and Oklahoma. If this is not your local area, tune now to a station providing news and information to your local. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey and the United States government at approximately 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The United States Geological Survey detected catastrophic earthquakes all over the world, causing massive damage all over the world. These earthquakes have produced 9.5 or greater or the Richter scale have been reported all over the world, and the Earth is expected to end within the next 30 minutes. Giant fissures are expected to form all over the world, breaking the Earth into different parts. Humanity is experiencing its final moments. If you can, gather with families and friends and prepare for the end. There is nothing humanity can do to stop this situation. This station will now play the national anthem for the final time. God bless you all, and God bless the United States of America.